In this tutorial, we'll determine whether the following equations are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Now these are representing equations of lines. So the first one is in slope-intercept form, which is y equals m times x plus b. So I can see that my slope for the first equation is 3/5 and my y-intercept is 1. In order for these to be parallel, they need to have the same slope. Perpendicular, they need to have the opposite reciprocal slope, and neither is whenever they have neither one of those relationships. So in order to tell whether the second equation has the same slope, I'm going to have to change it from standard form into a slope-intercept form. So I can do that by adding 3x to both sides. Now I have 0x's on the left, I have 5y equals 3x and then minus 2. Those are not like terms, so they do not combine. I can divide by 5 to get 1y by itself, and then I would have to divide by 5 on the other side. Now I'm not dividing by 5 twice. It would be the same thing if I divided the entire side by 5. So I just need to make sure I divide the 3 by 5, so I get 3/5 x minus, and then I divide the 2 by 5, I get 2/5. So now the slope of this line is 3/5, and the y-intercept is negative 2/5. In order to tell if they're parallel, I compare slopes. My slope here on this side is positive 3/5. My second equation, my slope is also 3/5. When slopes are the same, that means my lines are parallel. Remember that parallel lines have the same slope, perpendicular lines have the opposite reciprocal slope.